Is Nadia Kajoy, middle class on the stage. You are most welcome. Hey, this time we are going to talk about a school. What is a school? A school is a place where young people go to learn. Dear visitors, we are going to and spell people born at school. Basa, B, U, R, S, A, R. The word is Basa. What is the work of the Basa at school? Basa collects school fees at school. Nurse, A, U, R, S, E. The word is nurse. What is the work of the nurse at school? Nurse treats sick children at school. Cook, C, O, K. The word is cook. What is the work of cook at school? Who cooks food and porridge at school? Metro, M, A, T, R, O, N. The word is metro. What is the work of metron at school? Metron keeps children in the dormitory. Head teacher, H, E, A, D, T, E, A, C, H, E, R. The word is head teacher. What is the work of head teacher at school? Head teacher is at school. Secretary, H, E, C, R, E, T, A, R, Y. The word is secretary. What is the work of secretary at school? Secretary types exams at school. Teacher, T, E, A, C, H, E, R. The word is teacher. What is the work of teacher at school?